you looking for the cutest DIY accessory for spring and summer? This daisy bracelet is perfect touch for a floral charm, and they're super easy to make. Let's get started. For your materials, you'll need seed beads, white for the petals, yellow for the center, and any pastel color you love. You'll also need beading thread or stretch cord. I like to use fishing line. And then you'll need a small set of scissors. Also, optional clasps if you want more of a polished finish. These are so fun to style. Try stacking them with a pearl or gold chain bracelets. Or you can even match them with a summer flowy dress like I have as an example in these pictures. Or even a casual tank and jeans. This is super cute for a festival or picnics. Now Mother's Day is coming up, so it'd be a great DIY gift to make for your mother as well. If you make your own daisy bracelets, tag me. I'd love to see them. Don't forget to like, comment your favorite bead colors, and subscribe for more cute DIYs. Thank you for watching. Bye!